This Wi-Fi-ready freestanding all-gas range by Samsung features a stainless front with a large black glass viewing window, one color-matched stainless handle, and 5 color-matched knobs with guides to help easily identify burners. The control panel is smooth touch with several baking options, including air fry, numerical keys, and an easy-to-read LED display. It comes with a removable non-stick griddle accessory, 3 continuous heavy-duty black mat grates, and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,500, one 10,000, one 17,000, and one 18,000 BTU dual-ring burner. The range top surface is stainless. Inside the 6.0 cubic foot extra-large oven is an air fry tray, 2 flat racks, 6 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. The lower drawer provides added storage for flat pans and baking sheets. For more information, call or chat to speak with one of our knowledgeable sales associates.